Hey guys, this is Michael with Quiet Lawn here. Just wanted to make a video talking about how important it is to invest your time in growing your business and growing yourself as a person, as a leader. I'm driving back home now. I've been up in Cincinnati for a week. This wasn't for Quiet Lawn. This was for my martial arts school, Crush Kickboxing. I joined an association headed by a martial arts school owner that's far ahead of where I am. He runs a seven-figure martial arts school, and I just went up there to spend my week learning from him how to run my business, how to grow my business, how to coach better. A few weeks ago, I went to Virginia to spend a week with my buddy that has a pest control business, and spend my time learning how to do pest control from somebody who's been doing it for 19 years, to learn about how he's grown his business, how he prices, how he structures, how you actually do the service. I go to conferences several times a year and try to get myself around people who are ahead of me in business, or just everybody. You can learn from everybody. I join lots of forums, lots of groups to do the same. And it's just I've done that my whole adult life. There's been many times that I've volunteered my time, working for free, sometimes for years at a time, to acquire a set of skills that would take me to the next level. And I just find that a lot of people aren't willing to do that. They'll ask questions, they'll act like they want to learn that stuff, but when it comes right down to it, they're not willing to invest the time or the money to do those things. Just to tell you, you're never going to have all this extra money, or you will, but at that point, it won't matter. But it's always going to be a financial struggle to take a week off to go to the Equip Expo, or Mike Andy's Landscape Summit, or any of these other conferences. It's always going to be a financial burden. It's going to mess up your schedule with your work. It's going to be all this stuff. But I can tell you, I've never went to any one of those things and regretted it. I've always learned something that propelled my business and me, forward, and made me a better person, a better leader. And if you want to get ahead, there's no better way to do it faster. You get around people that can help you bypass all of those hurdles that you're going to hit, tell you exactly what you need to do, because they've already been through it. They already know what you're going to run into, and you can learn from their mistakes instead of your own. But I just encourage you all to invest your time and sometimes your money to get around people that can help you propel your business forward faster. It's hard for all of us. It's a sacrifice. It's an investment. Especially in the early years, I've spent money that I didn't have to go to these things, and it always helped me improve. It doesn't always have to cost money. It can just cost your time. It just cost me a little bit of money to go visit my friend for a week in Virginia to train with him to learn how to do pest control. I can't tell you how many times I've had somebody email me or contact me wanting information, and I've offered for them just to come spend a few days with us to see how we operate, to ride along with the guys, to see how we can run our business. And I've had one person in years that's ever taken me up on it, because like I said, most people, they don't really want to put the work in to learn this stuff. They just want somebody else to do it for them or give them the magic answer. But if you're really wanting to grow, be willing to put that time in. Be willing to put that effort in, and you'll find the answers that you're looking for. But anyways, with that said, I'm looking forward to seeing many of you at the Equip Expo next month. Hope all of you can make it. Mike, if you had to choose between that and Landscape Summit, I would go to Landscape Summit. Equip Expo is cool, and I take my guys because they enjoy it, and they have a lot of stuff that's more geared towards your employees and your team. It's more of a fun thing, but there's still a lot of valuable networking too. But if you're looking to really grow your business, I'd say something like Landscape Summit is going to be more valuable. It's going to have a lot more better content geared towards growing your business. It's not just going to be geared towards shiny new equipment and cool stuff. Either are going to be great, but hope you all can make the changes, make the accommodations to be able to go to something like that, and look forward to seeing you. Please stop me, say hello, and hope you're all well.